Well, hey there. Hey, check this out. I have a 2011 Ford F350 6.2 liter V8 gas engine. Nice looking little truck, 162,000 miles. And what's really neat about this truck is that it's got the fold down sides, so you can side load stuff or side dump stuff, so you can pull up to bedding and or flower beds and just push it in. Anyhow, brand new tires, I believe. No, they're not brand new, they just look brand new. Cloth upholstery, all in great shape. Dash is straight, clean, clear, no cracks. We'll run this baby up for you. So you're probably looking at what, 30 seconds to dump. Comes with free cup of bark dust. Nice truck. 2-wheel drive, great rubber, fold down sides. Dorn Brothers Truck Sales, 3130 Portland Road in Salem, Oregon. You can call Mike or John Dorn at 503-585-4731. Check us out on our website if you'd like at dorngooddeal.info. Thanks for looking today. We look forward to talking to you.